Welcome to the Muse financial template. On this Get Started tab, we're going to do two basic things. We're going to enter some really simple information about your company, and we're going to type in or import up to 3 years of historical financial statements. Starting off, you'll see throughout this document blue cells with blue text. These are the input fields that represents assumptions or variables that we're going to enter. In our client information section, we're going to enter some very basic information about your company, such as the name, its location, the type of business it operates, the type of corporation, such as an LLC, a C corporation, a partnership, or so on. We're going to enter the NAICS code, which tells you what sort of industry you operate in. And we're going to enter the names of up to 5 separate business lines or business units within your company. These 5 revenue lines will correspond to 5 financial forecasts we put together for your business. We have a sales tax section where if your business collects sales tax, we type in whether you collect it on a quarterly, annually, semi-annually, or monthly basis. We also have a variable that represents the sales tax percentage for your location. We have sections for income tax, including your federal income tax rate and your state income tax. Now, if your business has multiple locations across different states, the Muse financial template has the flexibility to include more than one state. For example, if 60% of your income is generated in New Jersey and 40% of your income is generated in California, we can type in 40% for California, and the Muse financial template automatically calculates the applicable sales tax based on the locations and the marginal tax brackets for those locations. The second part of this tab is our historical financial statements. The Muse financial template gives you the flexibility to enter up to 3 years of historical statements. These statements can be entered manually, or we can export from your accounting software, such as QuickBooks or Xero. We also have the flexibility to upload monthly financial statements on an ongoing basis to track your profitability and key metrics on a monthly basis in the future. This process is fully automated and does not require you to manually type in this data. We start off with our initial balance sheet, which is based on up to 3 years of our historical balance sheets. We have assets. If your company has any liabilities, such as debt or loans, we'll enter that as well. And we also enter your equity. Next, we're going to enter or import your historical income statement, also known as your profit and loss statement. This includes your revenue and your expenses such as labor, marketing, operating expenses, and so on. After the income statement, we're going to enter or import from your accounting software your historical cash flow statements. This concludes the Get Started tab of the Muse financial template. From here, we will enter in the various other tabs that go into your custom financial forecast.